I'm really excited. My JLD bridge doctor came in the mail today, and so this is says no acoustic guitar is complete without a JLD acoustic guitar bridge system or JLD bridge doctor. It's really lets you see a kind of a picture of what this is. A adjustable dowel goes to the tail end of the guitar. This bolts to the bridge of the guitar from the inside. And so what's happening is as this gets pushed this direction, it causes this to twist up. So if you have belly bow, like my guitar, my Washburn that you've seen in the previous video, this is supposed to assist with that. Also, it's supposed to prevent the possibility of getting any belly bow. So it comes with a dowel. This dowel is you adjust it. I purchased a little bit more expensive one. These are replacement bridge pins, and you can see that little hole there. The guitar string is to go through that bridge pin. Now, some of the bridge pins have a really small hole, and it looks like some of them have a much larger hole, which I'm glad for. I was actually a little worried about that. I was hoping that I didn't. I was really hoping I did not have to do any drilling into these. This one has two holes that run straight through. The rest of these all have one hole. And so this one looks like the largest for the low E string, and then you just kind of go from there and figure out how they're going to fit. So using that as an idea, so here we have the bridge doctor, the dowel that'll go. Oh, here we go. Get my fingers all in the way. Well, of course it's easy with one hand, right? There we go. So we get that in there, and inside the bridge doctor is a little Allen wrench bolt. And when you tighten that down, it causes the dowel to come out a little ways, which then in turn pushes the bridge doctor this direction. And the bridge doctor is held in place by this one bridge pin. You'll be replacing your regular bridge pins in the guitar with this bridge pin, and then the rest will line up side by side, and then there you go. It'll be interesting when I install this. Regardless, in that Washburn D10 that in the video that I've shown before, regardless of what happens with it, I will be installing this item. And so it has some, hopefully, instructions in the bag. Yes. This one shows the two different styles. Here we go. The one style, a less expensive style, requires you to drill through the back of your bridge. I decided that's not what I wanted to do. And so this one, you send through one of these pins through the bridge. And here it's got a really good, another direction looking at it. Send through the pin or the screw. There's your saddle, block, tension screw, mounting post, tension rod, and the tail of your acoustic guitar. So this will be really interesting to see this in work. So there we go. I'm really excited. If I like this, I may install it in other instruments. I guess if a person wanted to install it in their classical guitar, assuming why, well, hopefully a classical guitar is not doing the belly bow like this, but if they wanted to install one in their classical guitar, they would be forced to probably use the drill method, because remember, classical guitars don't have pins and posts and such. They tie at the end. So here we go. Very nice.